Cold weather can't keep you from getting work done when you have a kerosene portable heater to warm up your work area. This video will show the proper startup, operation, and shutdown procedure for this Mighty M 190,000 BTU portable heater. While outside or in a well-ventilated area, on a level surface, fill the tank with fresh number 1 kerosene or number 1 or number 2 diesel fuel until the gauge points to F. Replace the cap securely and move the heater into your workspace. Ventilation is very important, and fresh air must be provided in your workspace. Plug the power cord into a 3-prong grounded extension cord, which is plugged into a GFCI grounded outlet or a generator. Turn the thermostat control knob to the desired temperature setting. The setting range is from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the power switch to the on position. The power indicator lamp and room temperature display will light, and the heater will start. If the thermostat is set too low, the heater will not fire. Simply turn up the thermostat until the heater fires. Never leave the heater unattended while it is burning or connected to a power source. When you are finished using the heater or need to leave the area, press the power switch to off and unplug the power cord. If you need to restart the Mighty M heater, plug the power cord back in and wait at least 10 seconds before pressing the power switch to on again.